Okay, hi guys. I thought it would make sense if I just created a video that you can go in and watch, and once it's on video, I suppose you can review it multiple times so that you kind of get an overview. But so I'll just make this 10-20 minutes video where I run through kind of the most important thing that I need you to be onboarded in. So as you remember, you have this link, the like freelancing master overview, where you have links to the most relevant docs. So everything from the course outline to team group, etc., etc. So what we really need to get you started on is first thing the Facebook page. So the Facebook page is right now I'm running the post, but one of the main tasks I need your module to start working on is to create a content pipeline so that we'll have relevant posts each day. So a thing like that would be in Trello. So I've put on here set up a Facebook content pipeline with success story. So the main idea is that we should create one success story every single day, and then we have 3 variants. And we post it from the Facebook page, and then we share it into the group, the Inch group. So the first post, as an example, is that if a student has completed the course, and you can find completion of the courses in the chatbot in the inbox. They're sending a screenshot of it. So I can just show you how that looks. So there's a link to an example here. So the first day we have a student completes course completed, so something like that. Congratulations to RML. We tag in the students, and then we do a post. So and then we do the same thing if students create his freelance profile. And here's an example of that. And so first day is we have to have a good case example of a student that will post with someone has posted. Second day, someone has created a profile with links to their profile. Third day, if someone has actually got a job. So that means that every day there's some success stories that encourage the students to go in and join the program and send us a message to get started. So so I've created the examples here. Look. Okay, and we can go in and comment here, and we can discuss, etc. So this is mainly a task for you, module, once we're up and running. So that's the content pipeline, and that's going to drive more students. And then the main point of entry for students, that's our chatbot. So if you go into the inbox of Facebook, you can see that there's a very long conversation with the students, and all this is mostly managed by the chatbot. But we also need to do something manually. So a very cool feature is that you can go in and filter by owners. So as an example, I've taken and assigned these students to Niraj. So these are the students that have already completed all the courses, and then we've sent them an invitation to create a freelance profile. So these are kind of like the high profile, the high potential students that we can kind of cater in order to make some success stories very fast. And we can go in here and essentially go and like take individual students and then assign to each other, so that we can keep it organized. Okay, so this is the inbox. So then the messages is managed in ChatFuel, and I'll send you the invitation right away. But the ChatFuel is divided into an automate section and a broadcasting section. So in the automate section, there's a welcome message. So if you start the chatbot the first time, it sends you to like a welcome message. And then it asks you a couple of questions, and you can always go in here and test the chatbot of how this works. So, and then it ends up asking you to apply on our landing page. Furthermore, it then have some options where you can then learn more about the program. So this is where we kind of I'm encouraging them to join. So then if you go to broadcast section, there's all these triggers. So all these triggers is essentially a broadcast which is sent to people the first day after, second day, third day, etc., etc. So if we just take them as an example, you can see here that the first day after they have signed up, we ask them if they have joined our Facebook group. So now we're getting them more connected to Yep. Second day, we ask them if they have signed up to our seminars. Third day, we ask them if we have applied. And you can go through, and then about day 10, what you see is that they start on the courses. So there's a link to like the blueprint course, and then once they've done it, we ask them to post a screenshot of it in the Facebook group, and then this is the link, and they go in and send it. So going forward, we don't have to ask the students to post pictures, but the students will do it themselves in order for us to create promotions. And you can see the different courses is being sent. So this is more or less an automatic way for the students to follow. And if you go to the back to broadcast, you can see here what is being messaged. So you see here that 17 people have got the message 10 days after. And you can see 11 read, but no one clicked yet. So it might take some time before they read it. The interesting stats here are the ones where we're sending to everyone. So normally we'll have a 20% click rate or something like that. There's a lot more. I think it would be a good idea if you kind of look into it. Another feature is that you can schedule for later. So all these are set up for everyone who joined after the 6th of October. So the ones that joined before, which is approximately 600, we're sending manually messages. So we're sending these letters just so that we can control. Another cool feature in here is that we can segment the user. So because right now everyone is getting the message, so we can segment them out, and the ones that are the most active one. So that's Crowdcast. Then another very important thing which we will have to go through is the live classes. So the idea is that in the beginning we're gonna try to get them to attend these live events as often as possible. So I'm even suggesting that we will be sending live just open office hours, so that we're broadcasting live, and I think that will attract a lot of students. They can come in and ask questions. So essentially we have open door policy. They just go to our website and we're broadcasting live, and if we're not doing live classes, we have the career advisors sitting there. So I just want to show you how to go live. So it's because Wednesday we will have to do the actual live streaming. So I've created this document, which is the workflow document, and there's a documentation on how you set up a live class on Facebook and you connect it to Crowdcast. So this is the webinar tool, and we've set up these different introduction seminars. So if I go into this one, you can go in and edit the events. So it might be an idea to maybe just duplicate it. So I'm duplicating in order for not to test it as an example. So then I go in and edit, and I just say, so now we're creating a new event, and then in order to get it to multi-stream, I go to multi-stream, I enable stream, and I say Facebook, and then I say create live event, so it goes over there. And then I have to put in server URL and stream key URL. So, yeah. on Facebook, I create a live stream. And then in here, I'll have the server URL. I'll just go in and put that in here. Put that into save. And then let's see. So now saved it. It's set up, and then I believe it's possible to go live. Let's see. In this guide, you can see how it's actually done. So I created the event. I saved it. So now in Crowdcast, I can go down here. It's possible to go live. And then once I go live on Crowdcast, it should go live on Facebook as well. But there's a tutorial to it. But it's just important that you guys can actually do this, because we're going to do it for Wednesday and then for all the live informational seminars. So that's essentially the most important thing. So I'm just going to send you this video, and then we can go through it again. I'm just